What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Outdoor Journeys YouTube channel. I am in the camper that you guys are watching being worked on. So let's get back into it and see what you guys are missing. So in the last one, we took out the fridge, the heater, and the water heater. And this one, we're going to be putting a microwave oven. And we're also going to be putting in a door, fixing the storage, and some other things around the camper. Fridge and furnace is taken out. Went to Home Depot to pick up some wood, and on the way home I found some sawhorses. My truck was broke down, so I had to take all hoopty to go get some sawhorses. So we emptied everything out, fixed the storage on the inside and on the outside, put the new door back in. Went and got another truck while I work on my truck. Pretty decent vehicle. I love these Infiniti QX56. They're really decent. I didn't have no other way to hold this up, so I used a jack to put it in place. Put a piece of particle board in there to cover the water lines. Got rid of that gas line. Put in the new microwave oven, plugged it in. Put some particle board around the microwave oven. Put some brick backsplash, and then we went to the Christmas parade. Christmas parade, had a little fun. You guys enjoy these last little videos, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. God bless. Dude, that is too funny. That is too funny. Oh man, oh that thing is expensive. Oh my god, look at this whole place. Lila. Lila. Higher? Higher? Look how she is scared. You shake your head. You shake your head. Oh, it's slowly working.
Is that Nana?
Huh? Wow, look at this. Oh, that's so cool. Oh.